These are the foam forms of the chlorine which is used in the treatment. Have you written these all points as a chloramine or the compound of aluminum and chlorine, then as a free chlorine gas and as a chlorine dioxide ClO2. In chloramine, this chloramine can be available in these three forms. Monochloramine, in which only one chlorine is there, then dichloramine, two chlorine atoms are there, and trichloramine, in which three chlorine atoms are there. So now let us solve the problem based upon this to find out the dosage of the chlorine. So it is based upon the formulas that we have written uh, in previous slide. Okay, that is chlorine demand is equal to chlorine dose minus residual chlorine, or chlorine dose is equal to chlorine demand plus residual chlorine. That formula we written, and one more formula that we have written: chlorine dose is equal to chlorine usage in milligram per liter and divided by the rate of flow. These are the formulas that we have written. So let us solve this problem. Write down the problem. Chlorine usage in a treatment of 20,000 meter cube per day. Chlorine usage in treatment of 20,000 meter cube per day. This is of water. Okay, so this quantity or this rate of flow is nothing but it is quantity of water. Or you can write here like this: chlorine usage in the treatment of 20,000 meter cube per day of water is 8 kg per day. So this is the usage of the chlorine. म्हणजे एवढा जर पाण्याचा फ्लो रेट असेल तर त्यासाठी दिवसाला एवढं क्लोरीन हे त्या ठिकाणी वापरलं जातं पर डे, 8 kg per day. ओके, 8 किलो क्लोरीन it will be used for this discharge. The residual chlorine after 10 minutes of contact, म्हणजे टाकल्यानंतर 10 मिनिटानंतर, this is the contact period. After 10 minutes, the residual chlorine present in the water is 0.2 mg per liter. Okay, so we can find out how much chlorine is present in the water by doing some test. Okay, titration, like the test, if you take the water and do the titration of that water with some certain chemicals, then we can find out how much residual chlorine is present in the water. And they have got that residual chlorine present in the water is 0.2 mg per liter. So this was the chlorine dose, 8 kg per day दिलेलं आहे, आणि रेसिड्युअल क्लोरीन जे आहे ते एवढं आहे त्या ठिकाणी. अँड इट इज आस्क्ड टू कॅल्क्युलेट द डोसेज इन mg per liter. हा जो डोस आहे दिलेला 8 kg per liter, kg per day. Okay, and here we have to find out what is the dosage in mg per liter and chlorine demand of the water. क्लोरीन डोस काढायचा आपल्याला आणि क्लोरीन डिमांड, या दोन गोष्टी आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी काढायच्या. ठीक आहे. So first write down this problem, then we will solve it. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, we have written their formula for chlorine demand. Demand is equal to, or water demand is equal to chlorine dose minus residual chlorine, right? So residual chlorine is known to us, but we don't know what is chlorine dose. They have given the chlorine usage, it is 8 kg per day, and they have given the rate of flow, it is 20,000 meter cube per day. So by using these two values, that is chlorine usage and rate of flow, can we find what is the chlorine dose there? What is the quantity or the rate of chlorine dose? It can be found by using this formula. हा फॉर्म्युला पण लिहून घेतलेला आहे. Chlorine dose is equal to chlorine usage divided by rate of flow. Okay, so write down there chlorine dose is equal to, now what is chlorine usage? Chlorine usage, it should be in mg per liter. हे आपण त्या ठिकाणी काढायचंय, कन्वर्ट करावं लागेल आपल्याला. क्लोरीन युसेज जो आहे इट हॅज बीन गिवन ॲज अ 8 kg per day, राईट. सो लेट अस कन्वर्ट दॅट इन mg per day. ओके, mg per day मध्ये आपल्याला ते कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, 8 kg per day. नाव 8 kg आपण इथे 8 kg हा लिहिला. ओके, पर डे हा पर डे तसं त्या ठिकाणी आहे. तो जो kg आहे that kg I want to convert in mg, milligram. Okay, so how to do that? 1 kg is equal to how much gram? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram or 10 to the power 3 gram, right? And 1 gram is equal to how much milligram? 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power 3 milligram. Milli means 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power 3 milligram, right? So instead of this gram, now if I put here into 10 to the power 3 milligram, gram च्या ऐवजी मी काय टाकतो या ठिकाणी 10 to the power 3 milligram. So this 10 to the power 3 and this 10 to the power 3 as base is same, so we can do the addition of the powers. हे 3 आणि 3 ह्याचे addition होईल and this power will become 10 to the power 6, and here now unit will be mg per day. Now here we got the unit for this. We have converted this chlorine usage in mg per day. 8 into 10 to the power 6 mg per day divided by, now the rate of flow, it is in meter cube per day. So this can be converted in liter per day by multiplying it by 10 to the power 3. Why? Because 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter or 10 to the power 3 liter. So instead of this meter cube, I can write here 10 to the power 3 liter. Okay, so putting that value 8 into 10 to the power 6 here already it is put, and here 20,000 into 10 to the power 3 liter per day. So this per day and this day it will get cancelled. Okay, and after doing calculation you will get something value and unit will be mg per liter, and this will be your chlorine dose. Okay, हा क्लोरीन डोस आपल्याला या ठिकाणी भेटला. मग आता आपला वॉटर डिमांडचा फॉर्म्युला माहित आहे क्लोरीन डिमांडचा. क्लोरीन डिमांड इज इक्वल टू chlorine dose minus residual chlorine, right? What is the residual chlorine? It is given as 0.2, right? And then solve it and find out what is the chlorine demand. Okay, do the calculation and tell me what is the, so here chlorine dose it has come as 0.4 mg per liter. Has everyone got this value? And we know the formula for the chlorine demand. Chlorine demand is equal to chlorine dose minus residual chlorine, and chlorine demand will be equal to 0.2 mg per liter. Correct. Kshitij has got the correct answer, 0.2 mg per liter. Other students who have solved it, put your answers in the chat box. So let us solve the next problem now. Many students have got the answers. Is anyone having any difficulty in this problem, first problem, in understanding or solving? Okay, there is no problem to anyone. So let us solve the next problem. Write down chlorine usage in a treatment of chlorine usage in a treatment of 25,000 meter cube per day, 25,000 meter cube per day is 9 kg per day, 9 kg per day. The residual chlorine after 10 minutes, the residual chlorine after 10 minutes of contact is 0.2 mg per liter, 0.2 mg per liter. Calculate dosage in mg per liter. Calculate dosage in mg per liter and chlorine demand of water, Solve it and put your answers in the chat box. So last 1 minute is remain. Those students who solve the problem, they can leave the session. .36 mg per liter. Correct. So that is the chlorine dose, and what is the chlorine demand? It is 0.16 mg per liter. Correct. क्षितिजा चव्हाण आणि अंजली गपाट, then Dhanashri Rutuja have got the answers, correct answer to this problem. The students have solved this problem, they can leave the session. Those students who have not yet solved the problem, do this during the break. Okay, lunch break मध्ये वगैरे तुम्ही राहिलेला प्रॉब्लेम सोडवा. Now you can leave the session, your next lecture will start. So we are going to stop here.